Hello everyone, welcome to a chilly south of France. Autumn is well and truly here. I've collected my small painting series that I was working on the floor, and I'm going to work on them now individually. Some of them I'm quite liking, but I need to decide what to do next and decide which way up they're going to go, these abstract landscapes, and get some ready for the show in a couple of weeks. I want to get some of them framed, so I need to get some finished. So join me, see what I do next. I'll put the camera down and we'll see what happens. So I think the first thing I'll do is sort them into size and boards and canvases. Canvas, 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 canvas. Boards, canvas, 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 boards, bigger boards. Oh, I didn't realise I had so many. I don't think I'm going to be painting on these today, so I can take my palette away. I'm thinking more maybe pastels or crayons. I think they're almost there, so I don't want to go too far. We'll see. What shall I start with? The small squares, I think. I've been working on this series of paintings for quite a while now, so they've got many, many, many layers on them. I'm going to grab my pastels, got some neo colour there as well. These are oil pastels. Got these crayons and some soft pastels as well. Let's see how we get on with those. So to start, I think I'm going to bring back a few of these metallics, goldy colours and copper. I've got that lovely bluey. Sticking with the colours in my colour palette. Oh, these are all the colours in my colour palette, so I'll just leave them there. Start with this gold. These oil pastels, you can rub them in as well. Oh, a bit of this soft pastel. I'm not going to do much on each for now. I like this effect. Do that a bit more with this soft pastel. So I've been thinking lately about getting a group together and having a painting session online, worldwide, and just all painting together and chatting along while creating, painting, collaging, whatever you're into. You know, I'm into mixed media, and I've set up a live video group so we can see what we're all working on. Be a nice little community, I thought. And well, if you're interested in joining me, I haven't set up any times or anything yet, but when I get a few of us together, I'll set up a time and, well, you can join us. I'll pop some information below, and when we start, I'll send out an email and let you know. Looking quite seascapey, don't you think? With all these layers built up, I've got lots of textures going on, so when you just rub a little bit of soft pastel over, you get this lovely effect going on. Bit of gold in there. Quite like this purple. With a hazy effects going on here. Just bringing back the things that I like, maybe been lost in layers underneath. Not sure if I like this. I like that better. Don't want to get too boring, so I'll put it on fast speed for the others. So put them back down on the floor because I have just sealed them all with this pastel and charcoal sealant. And so I'm going to wait for those to dry off now. But yeah, coming along. Some of them I really like. See what happens next. I might try some in some frames next. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Au revoir.